Dear Diary, last night after work, I got lost. Completely lost. Dark streets, strange names, and I couldn't speak English well enough to ask for help. I was so afraid. But I also met someone. Let me tell you. Welcome back. I am Stasy, and some time ago, I moved to a new country alone. Tonight, just notice how I ask for directions. Where is, and the little place words, on, next to, between. Subscribe and follow my new life, one page at a time. So, last night I left the flower shop. It was late and I was tired. I took a street, then another, but nothing looked right. I didn't know this place. The houses all looked the same. Where is my home? I thought. Where is my street? My phone battery was dead. Oh my God. My heart started beating really fast. I saw a man on the corner. I was nervous, but I tried. "Excuse me, where is Maple Street?" I asked. He spoke very fast. "It's near the park, next to the bank, between the cafe and the bookshop." Near the park? Next to the bank? Between? Too many words, too fast. I did not understand. "Thank you," I said quietly. But inside, I felt lost again. I stood alone on the dark street, and one tear came. Then I heard a voice. "Hey, are you okay?" A young woman stood next to me. She had a big, warm smile. "I am lost," I said. "My English is not good." "That's okay," she said. "I can help. Speak slowly. I have time." Her name was Amara. It was such a relief. Finally, I felt safe. "I'm looking for Maple Street," I said. "Oh, easy," she said. "It is on the next corner next to the small bakery. Come, I will walk with you." We walked together. Amara was talking and I was listening, and, I understood, more than I thought. She was kind. She was funny. For the first time in this city, I was not alone on the street. Soon I saw my building. "Thank you, Amara. Thank you so much," I said. "No problem," she smiled. "Hey, do you want to get a coffee tomorrow? There is a lovely little cafe near here." "A coffee? With a new friend?" "Yes," I said. "I would love that. Tomorrow, maybe I will have my first friend in this city. I cannot wait, dear diary." Thank you for reading page 4 with me. Tonight I was lost, but a kind stranger found me. Maybe getting lost is how we find new friends. Subscribe. Tomorrow, Coffee with Amara. My first friend? Good night, dear diary. Good night, my friend.